Okay, pa. Okay. Sorry for interruption. Due to work, I have call with the exam cell work. Okay. Okay. We can start the previous class. We have discussed about HDLC. Okay. We can continue. Next topic. I will share the screen. Yeah. Yeah. My screen is visible. Yeah. Visible to all. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Okay. Next topic we are going to discuss about the media access control. Here in media access control, what are the topics you are going to see about means main topic you are going to see about the Ethernet. What do you mean by Ethernet means that is with the help of Ethernet only we are going to connect the in the particular system by Ethernet port only we are in the desktop system or laptop only by by using Ethernet port only the internet connectivity with the using wired communication can be able to connect with the help of Ethernet port only. Okay, this is a media access control means by using media access what is the data to be shared from sender to receiver. That is a main process used in the media access control. Okay, here what are the topics we are going to in the syllabus you are going to discuss means Ethernet and then wireless LAN or wireless links and then Bluetooth. This and all comes under the media access control with wired communication in the sense Ethernet, wireless communication in the sense wireless link and then Bluetooth and then this and all comes under the wireless communication. Okay. First of all, in this class, we are going to discuss about the Ethernet. Okay, this is the most successful local area network technology last 20 years. Based upon the Ethernet is established with the help of technology is used in last 20 years. It is developed in the year 1970s by researchers at the Xerox Alto and Research Center. Based upon it is a one of the main technology used in the media access control. Okay, it is based upon the CSMA means carrier sense multiple access with collision direction. Carrier sense multiple access means wherever the data can be transmitted, which is used to transmit the data from sender to receiver with the help of from sender to receiver. Okay, based upon the at the time of multiple access points is there means collision means what at the time of transmission any process is defected means collision is the direction. Collision direction is rectified by using the CSMA technology. Okay, a set of nodes can receive and send and receive the frames over a shared link. Shared link means what? Within a common link, n number of data can be shared with n number of data can be shared with the help of common link. Based upon that only, the data can be collision is occurred. Okay. The carrier sense means that all node can distinguish between an idle or busy link. Some nodes, for example, we can say in a particular link, some nodes will be in the under processing of data sharing. Some nodes will be assigned as a idle node. Based upon that, what are the nodes are to be transmitted from source to destination, and what are the nodes are will be in the idle state. Based upon the CSMA technology only that can be able to find out. Okay, collision detection means that a node is transmitted and therefore detect when a frame is transmitting as with the frame transmitted by another node. Okay, for example, A node is there, another B is another node. A is transmitting to B. At a time, some other node can able to transmit the data to particular B node, means the collision is occurred. Based upon that, the collision can be rectified by using the CSMA technology. Okay. And then it can also use the haloga means what? It is also one of the CSMA technology. It is based upon the radio network. It is based upon the radio network, the packet transmission between the sender and receiver with the help of the radio technology, radio network. Okay, it is developed by University of Hawaii to support communication across islands. What are the based upon the islands, within one island to another island, the based upon the data can be transmitted from one sender to many receiver. Okay, for haloga, the medium was atmosphere. For Ethernet, the is a coaxial cable. By using the coaxial cable only, the data can be transmitted with the help of Ethernet. With the help of cable, haloga transmission is performed. Okay. Next, the Ethernet, the Intel has joined with the help of 10 Mbps Ethernet standard in the year 1978. Okay, the Ethernet standard, IEEE standard, can be defined as 802.3. Sometimes they will ask in the questions, explain about Ethernet. Instead of Ethernet, they will explain about 802.3. Like that means they ask a question means that is equivalent to Ethernet standard version. That is Ethernet standard version is 802.3. IEEE standard 802.3 is standard is applicable to Ethernet. Okay. Okay. More recently used 802.3 as extended, now included from 100 Mbps version. It's called as fast Ethernet, and then 1000 Mbps version called as gigabit Ethernet. Okay, normally you are using a 10 Mbps Ethernet, means that is the standard Ethernet, that is comes under the normal Ethernet, which is a transmission of 100 Mbps Ether version, means it is called as fast Ethernet, and then 1000 Mbps version means it is called as gigabit Ethernet. Okay, based upon that, the data transmission will be differed from based upon the bandwidth. Okay, an Ethernet segment is implemented on a coaxial cable of up to 500 meter. Okay, the Ethernet cable based upon the coaxial cable that can be transmitted from sender to receiver up to 500 meters. Okay, this cable is similar to the type of cable TV. Cable TV, I already told, no. In coaxial cable is used in the cable TV or from the dish to, or from set-top box to, from TV, or from dish to TV connection. This and all comes under the coaxial cable only. Okay, host connected to an Ethernet segment by tapping into it. Okay, a transceiver, a small device directly attached to the tap, detects when the line is idle and drives signal when host is transmitting. Okay, when you are transmitting, we can see some in cable TV and all, we can see for a particular street they will transmit, they will give a line. Based upon that, after the particular street, if completed one street, means if the connection is going to next street, means they will give the setup box or booster box. Whatever the transmission within the, whatever the bandwidth are receiving, that will boost up to next level of streets. Okay, for that, the transceiver or transmitter will keep the, by using the transceiver only, the transmission speed will be maintained as equal. Okay, there will be no delay or any late or any collision will be not be occurred. Okay, with the help of transceiver only, the incoming signals will be same. Okay, at the time of transmission will be same. Okay, next, The transceiver is connected to the Ethernet adapter, which is plugged into the host. Okay, the transceiver means what? Whatever we, in a particular system where IO port is there, in a particular lab and all, we are seeing the Ethernet, common Ethernet cable is there. The transceiver means the IO port, which is connected in the particular desktop, is called as Ethernet transceiver, which is the particular transceiver to adapter, the particular host CPU or laptop we are connecting, means that particular port is assigned as a adapter. Okay, this transceiver and adapter is connected to the patch cable, which is connected, we are seeing in the lab. No, we are where the IO port is in a particular each and every system, the particular transceiver port is available in bottom of the particular system. That with the help of transceiver only, with the help of IO port, that is transceiver is also called as IO port. From the IO port only, by using the patch cable, the individual cable is connected to the particular CPU. Okay, with the help of the patch cable only, particular internet is established between the transceiver and adapter. Okay, this diagram shows the normal Ethernet cable with the help of transceiver and adapter, how the host is connected. Host means normal CPU or laptop. Okay, this protocol is implemented on the adapter. Okay, multiple Ethernet segments can be joined together by repeaters. The repeater is a device that forwards digital signals. Okay, by using the repeater also, we can forward the signal. Okay, for example, I told no, based upon the cable TV setup box is there, means the boost up signal by using the repeater only, the signal strength will be remain same. Okay, or it will be, if it is in a particular distance, it will decrease, as means after the particular distance it will boost up the signal strength. Okay, based upon that only the signal strength will be increased. No more than 4 repeaters may be positioned between any pair of hosts. Okay, and Ethernet has a total reach of only 2500 meters. Okay, 2500 meters means based upon the cable can be communicated within the one to another, means is assigned as a 2500 meters. Okay, next, Ethernet. Any signal placed on the Ethernet means by the host is broadcast over the entire network. Broadcast over means by, see in this diagram, see n number of left hand side is n number of switches is there. By using the switches or router, by common cable bus topology is implemented. By using the bus topology, all the n number of particular system is connected. Okay, here Ethernet repeater is assigned as a normal box. Host is repeated as a black color with keyboard is assigned as a host. Okay, normally here by using the repeater, or the signal is forwarded to outgoing segments. Out from the repeater, the data or signals will be transmitted with the help of repeater to n number of hosts. Okay, okay, by using the repeater only, the internet connectivity is established between the from client side to from client side to server side, or from ISP provider to from desktop system. Okay, terminator attached to the end of each segment adopt the signal. Okay, terminator attached means what? Whatever the host connected to the particular repeater, which is connected, transmit the signal from host to destination. Okay, here Ethernet uses the Mantisor encoding scheme. Okay, Ethernet will use as a Mantisor. Mantisor means what? Sharing of data. If data will be shared in the process of repeater, means the same line there will be a sharing the common line, the internet will be shared, that will be splitted into n number of hosts. Okay, that is the use as a Mantisor encoder scheme. Okay, a new technology in Ethernet, instead of using coax cable, a Ethernet can be constructed from thinner cable known as 10 base 2. It's a original 10 base 5. Okay, 10 means it is a network operator at 10 Mbps. Here 10 assigns the 10 Mbps bandwidth will be shared in the 200 meters. 200 meters means that this is assigned as a 2. 2 is assigned as a 200 meters. Up to 200 meters, this 10 Mbps bandwidth will be shared between from server to clients or from hub to n number of clients. Okay. Okay. Here base means a cable used in the baseband system. Another cable technology is used as a 10 base T. T is assigned as a twisted pair cable. We are already see the twisted pair cable where the telephone lines we are using. In that T is assigned as a twisted pair. Okay, here limited to 100 meters. If you are using a twisted pair cable means it is limited to 100 meters in length. Okay, if you are using 10 base 2 means it is up to longer than 200 meters. If you are using 10 base T means it is comes under the twisted pair cable. It is limited to 100 meters only. Okay, here see commonly hub is used here. From hub to hub connectivity is there. From hub only n number of hosts are connected. See, we are in normal, we are using in labs and all, common switch or hub is connected. From each and every hub is connected to the particular host. Okay, Ethernet hub is individually connected to the particular system. Okay, so based upon the hub only, the segments are traveling from point to point or from multi-way repeater. Okay, it's called as hub. Okay. This is the access protocol for Ethernet. Access protocol means what? The algorithm is commonly called as Ethernet Media Access Control. MAC means what? Media Access Control, which is called algorithm Media Access Control as implemented as MAC. Okay. The frame format for Media Ethernet means first of all it's assigned as a preamble, destination address, source address. For 64 is assigned as a 64 bit. 64 bit is assigned as a preamble. This starting address is assigned as a preamble. Okay. Destination address. Destination address means where the particular data to be destination. That is used as a 48 bit each. Okay. Source address means sender address. Whoever sending the data, that is assigned as a source address. Okay. And then type. What type of data is transmitted from sender to receiver? It is a packet type or frame type. What is the data will be assigned in the, that is assigned the type. Okay, body means data. What is the data up to 1500 bytes. Okay. Finally, CRC, cyclic redundancy check. We are seeing no cyclic redundancy check. That at the time of transmission, any errors occurs means by using the CRC only, that error will be rectified. This is a frame format. If you are explaining the Ethernet means, first of all, you want to write the definition and then all these diagrams and then frame format. Frame format is important for all the topics. Whatever topics your point-to-point protocol or HDLC or Ethernet or wireless link, any other topic you are writing in this unit data link means frame format is important. This is necessary for all the questions. Okay, frame format is necessary. Okay, based upon the frame format only, the data is transmitted from sender to receiver. Okay, the Ethernet address. Okay, Ethernet addresses means this each host on the Ethernet, each Ethernet in the world has a unique Ethernet address. That is a MAC address, which is called as a, for each and every system there will be a MAC address and an IP address. Okay, IP address in the sense we are manually giving the address is called as a IP address, which is defaultly system address is assigned as a MAC address. For example, see 8:0:2B E4 and B1:2 is and all comes under the MAC address, which is assigned as a MAC address. Okay, address belongs to the particular adapter. Okay, transceiver or any particular Ethernet port, not the host. Okay, okay, this is a adapter. Adapter means what? Based upon the where the particular data will be connected. That is the adapter. Okay, it is usually burned in the ROM, read-only memory access. Okay, based upon the, we want to ensure that every adapter get the unique address. Each manufacturer of Ethernet devices is allocated a different prefix that must be prepared to the addresses on every adapter. Based upon the adapter only, the data will be transmitted from sender to receiver. Okay, here the adapter means based upon how the data can be transmitted from sender to receiver. Same ways, the equivalent bandwidth will be transmitted from AMD processor. Okay, we are with the help of processor only, the particular process will be generated. Okay, we are seeing the n number of processor, dual core processor, i3 processor, i5 processor. Likewise, here we are assigned the AMD processor. It is one type of processor which is assigned as a 24-bit prefix as 8 is to 0 is to 20. That is assigned the value as a prefix value. Okay. Next, it is a Ethernet address. Each frame transmitted on Ethernet is received by the every adapter connected to an Ethernet. Every adapter recognize those frames addresses to the addresses only passes only those frames on the host. In addition to unicast address, an Ethernet address consisting of all ones which is treated as broadcast address. Here only machine language addresses means it is only zeros and ones. If it is transmitting the address as 1 means it is treated as a broadcast address. Okay, first bit is set to 1 means it is not a broadcast address, it is called as a multicast address. Okay, if a data transmitting in between process means your data transmission address is 1 means it will be assigned as a broadcast address. If the data bit will be assigned as a first bit will be assigned as 1 means it will be cast as a multicast address or not the broadcast address. The given host can program its adapter to accept some set of multicast address. To summarize, an Ethernet adapter receives all frames and accepts. Based upon the whatever frames are getting by the receiver, that will be accepted by the receiver. Okay, frame addresses to its own address, frame addresses to the broadcast address. Whatever the frame address will be done by the help of own address or with the help of broadcast address or with the help of multicast address. Okay, Ethernet transmitter algorithm we will discuss in next class. Up to Ethernet addresses, we can complete this topic. Okay, you have any doubt in this topic up to this Ethernet addresses? Up to Ethernet address, you have any doubt? We can wind up the section. Okay, pa. Thank you to all.